Hit it. Oh, snap! Oh! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna do a exhaust brake test. Comparing against the, I don't know if you guys can see it back there. We got a Ram 3500, which is actually mine. And I have my friend's Ford F350. And we're gonna pretty much see if the Ford exhaust brake is actually strong enough to compete with the Rams. I know I've been talking a lot of trash about the Ford, so I want to make sure I can back it up. So that's really the purpose of this video. All right, so let's get into it. Man, that truck looks so good. Look at that thing, bro. Oh my goodness. Man, she looks amazing. All right, cool. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, just take your foot off the gas, all right?
All right.
There it is. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. it just falling back. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, snap! Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah, the Ford is definitely faster though. It is faster.
It's faster.
Ooh, these trucks are great, bro. Wow. In the comment section, do you guys like these white lights? I prefer the amber up there.
Amber the best.
Amber all the way, bro.
Yeah.
Now, I gotta ask a question. Full disclosure, did you hit the brakes?
I didn't hit the brake at all. That thing downshifted on its own.
All right.
It
So,
sounds so freaking good.
that acceleration, you did kind of start pulling away a little bit.
Look, I pulled away, but I don't know what gear I was in. But once that gear started climbing, it hesitated.
See?
You passed me.
Exactly. See, that's where I'm telling you, if Ram could figure out a way to get this 10 speed in the Ram, it would probably beat the Ford. I'm telling you, it's so fast. It's so fast, but that transmission is holding this truck back. 100%.
Yes.
You think so?
Yes.
100%.
That gear was trying to go to the next gear. It just hesitated. I said, oh, he passed me.
I know.
He passed
That's the
me.
only thing, like, cause you were like leaning a little bit.
Yeah. I got it all on you. But once it came to the next gear, it's like, oh, what the power? Come on, man.
Shift.
Yeah, shift. And you just went right past it. Said, wow.
Are you in tow mode?
I'm in tow mode.
Okay, all right. Now, hey, we did not break the speed limit either. We were still under speed limit. These trucks are slow, but nevertheless, though, we were under the speed limit. So, hey, real quick, we're gonna do it one more time. We're gonna come back around. Well, we'll figure it out. We'll do one more on this road.
On this road right here.
Exhaust brake.
Okay.
And then let's get to like 60. Okay. And then let's let it drop down.
Let it drop down.
All right. Cool.
It's sick.
All right.
That's sick. I love this truck. Dude, I need a comment.
He needs a comments. Hey. Are you ready? Let it go.
Hold on. Here you go.
Jeez. Yeah, it's hard to like get it on camera because
you gotta do it when you on a downhill.
Yeah, that's right. I think
we're going up a slight incline. You can hear it really good.
Yeah. Well, since there's no cars here, let's get up to about 40. Get up to about 40, and then this hold there. Right there, you have 40? Okay, stay right there. Stay right there, all right?
Yes. I'm at 40, but it's slowing me down.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah,
Get
I
in
get.
front of me.
Yeah, you're good. No, it's definitely stronger. I wish that like we could like get like a long 2-mile road, because the first one we did, I was pulling away from you. You at 60?
Yep.
All right, I'm at 60.
Slowing me down.
Yeah, I'm off the brake.
Yeah, I'm not even braking. It's slowing me down. You hear it?
I can kind of hear it. Yeah, you're just dropping behind me. And like I said, look, I have the exhaust brake on, guys. Look, exhaust brake is on. Oh gosh, hold on. You know what? That was my bad, guys. The exhaust brake is on auto. Here. Hey, let's do it one more time. My bad. The exhaust brake was on automatic, so that wasn't fair. Are you ready?
All right, get up to 60.
All right, 60. I'm there. You ready?
All right, go.
Go. Here we go. I'm off the gas. It's still strong. Oh my gosh. He's gone. He's absolutely gone. There you go. Yeah, the Ford is way faster. Way faster.
Yeah, Ford strong. The Ram is trying to find its speed.
Yeah, it's too geared towards towing. That Eisen is just not built for speed. And then realistically, I think when it's not under load, I feel like it's trying to protect itself.
Hey, my old truck.
Oh yeah, the Titan?
Yeah.
Nice. All right.
Jump to 55.
55?
Yep.
Hold on. You have filter. Let me get level with you. Hold on. You ready?
Come on up. 1, 2, 3.
That Ram holding, bro. He holding. But it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's a straight walk.
Yeah. That power stroke strong.
It's strong. I mean, it has 75 more horses, and it has this strong 10 speed. I mean, this 10 speed is more geared towards towing and things like this. So, yeah, that Eisen is just really only for towing. And that pretty much ends this test for me. So I hope you guys thought it was helpful. But yeah, the exhaust brake for the Ram, and of course, acceleration for the Ford.